Hello, in front of me I have a VIVO Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, simply press and hold the power button. Once this menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option. And after the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. Power and volume up. So let's press and hold them. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the fast boot menu. Here, you can use the volume up and volume down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the option called Recovery Mode, then press the power button to confirm. As you can see, we entered the recovery menu. To navigate this menu, we need to use the touchscreen because the physical buttons don't work, so simply you need to tap on screen to select the options. Okay, in this menu we have options like install software. If you select it, here you have two options, phone memory and network update software. So basically you can update the software from the memory from the phone or from the network if you want to. You can also tap on back right here to go back. Next option is clear data, and here we can clear cache or factory reset our phone, basically clear all data from our phone. And last option is check system. Basically this checks the integrity of the files on your system. If everything is alright, and you can tap on it. It's gonna take a while to check. And once it's done, you're gonna get info, and as you can see, integrity of system files checked and no errors, so that means that the system is fine. And at the bottom we have two buttons, shutdown and restart. This is basically the way to exit this menu. If you want to exit this menu and turn off your phone, simply tap on shutdown option. And if you want to exit this menu and reboot your phone into a system, tap on restart. I'm gonna tap on restart to exit this menu, then tap on OK. And now let's wait until the phone is done rebooting. And that's how you enter the recovery mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.